afternoon. Welcome to our pharmacy. How can I help you today?
I have headache since this morning. Can you recommend something for me?
Sorry, I hear that. Can I ask a few questions?
Sure.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Do you have a fever, dizziness, or anything symptom?
No, I just have headache.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Okay, for a month, headache I recommend paracetamol. Please take 1 or 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours if needed. Do not exceed the recommended daily dose. That's it.
Are there any side effects?
Paracetamol is generally safe when you take as the direct. However, do not take more than the recommended amount and avoid drinking alcohol while using it.
See. Thank you. How much does it cost?
Because it's RM 8 ringgit 50 cent for 1 box.
Can I take one, please?
Certainly. Is there anything else you need today?
No, that's all. Okay, here we go.
Thank you. Here your medicine and your receipt. If you headache lasts for more than 2 days, become worse, please see a doctor.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day and nice day and stay well soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Welcome.